Hey everyone, my name is Matthew. I'm trying to show you guys and share with you my journey in Amazon FBA or selling on Amazon. So the reason I'm here because I found a way to use a free tool, or the way you use the tool as free. That way you don't have to pay for anything up front in case you just want to try or you want to just dive into it. So the tool called Maisal. This is the page for that tool. So you can download it obviously here, put in your credential, just choose the desktop that you want to use, either Windows or Mac. uh, the tool is launched now. We go to hunt for product. You choose the market you want to sell. For me, I'm in Canada. I would use amazon.ca, and here is the two ways to search. I mean, three ways, but I usually hunt for bestseller, and the bestseller takes you directly to amazon.ca, and that way you can just load the pages and go through the product category that you want to be starting selling. So in my case, I want to be selling in amazon.ca, as I said. And the niche I'm going to choose depending on what your interest is. uh, I would be using, you know popular, I guess, uh, categories. Again, depending on what niche you want to go, but there's some of those category, it's called gated. Not everybody is allowed to sell, or it takes a long time to get approved. But I'm just clicking on what I think would be okay. I would say sport and outdoor is the good niche to start, and we go from there. So there are, as you see, when you click on that left menu at the category, you will see the Amazon uploads the potential and uh, the window little potential for the product researching that you are doing, and it shows you what is the potential on the product that is in that page, if it's good to start or not. As you see, all these product up here obviously have very high reviews, which is the main thing you want to look at. If you are looking for the product that you want to sell, the reviews is the number one you want to look at, plus the sales. But for now, we're just looking at the reviews because that gives you idea if that niche or product you're trying to start is competitive or not. So when you go down, obviously these are all over four figures, five figures. They're very competitive. I would not suggest anything above 300. So but let's see, this one is 185, and which is not too bad. And Amazon actually highlighted the product that they think it's a good potential to start. This is the resistant band, and then there's another one. I guess is the snow tube. So let's click on those. That's the free version. This is what I see as a free user or free version of the software. So let's see what we can find out. Okay, I'll click on the snow tube just to see if it's a really good product to start or at least analyze. For now, I see this has only 25 rating, good reviews, pretty much five, almost 1.5 star, and currently not available. The only reason that I'm a little concerned about this product, it's because it's for snow, and I guess tubing on snow, it's probably, or 100% is seasonal. But for the purpose of this video, I forget about the seasonality of this product. I'm just going to show you how I search for product and how I can use that tool for free in order to find a product that I'm looking for. So for now, as I said, this product seems to be a good rating. I'm gonna find the best or very popular or very common keywords in this title, which we will discuss the keywords in the video again. But keywords is something that people would search for the product that they're looking for. We found the keywords. We just want to see if there is a really market for this and how saturated and how many sales. Reviews, number one to me is reviews, and then numbers of sale and the price. So there is a tool that you may have to buy it in order to analyze further, but Amazon also had that tool, but the one I'm using is called Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout extension is the what I use for just getting an idea about the product that I'm researching, if it's worth it for me to focus on or even think about when I'm trying to find a product. So again, as I mentioned, the numbers of sales is very important for me, and the numbers of review. So here average review is 41. This review, average review to me is the very good average. We don't want to have high, I would say number one in your product research is how many reviews in the product that you are or niche that you are looking for to list your product. Reviews have each seller has, and if you look at this number on the right, this is reviews. So you can see from top to bottom there are 31, 123, 22, 0, 8, 5, 1, and then if you look at the daily sale, 106. That's amazing. 106 units sell a day. 60, 45, 8. With 0 review, he's getting almost 8 sell a day. With 8 review, getting 31 a day. This is really good product. But he's still not done. We need to find out what else, what other criteria we have to look at. So sales rank 29,000. It's okay, it's not too bad, but I would prefer under 20. And the other thing is monthly average monthly sale. So I always suggest over 300, but this is 200, but because being seasonal, so that's kind of expected. So I would suggest this product. It's okay. It's the only reason I'm saying it's okay because of seasonality, but otherwise if it was something that you could sell throughout the year, that would be like perfect or good enough. So the other thing I'm gonna go look at and check is the again the keyword I have here. I'm just gonna copy and I'm just gonna go to Google Trend, which I already opened the page, to find out if this, again, this is just to ruling out or not, if this uh, product is seasonal. As you can see in the chart, for 5 years, every January or December, this spiking up. So that tells me this is a seasonal product. But since we knew already, so that's not a big deal. But this is something you might want to avoid, or at least when you order in, if you want to list it, you want to start at least a month before season, so you can have your product already in a warehouse, Amazon warehouse, by the time the season starts. And then you don't want to order a lot of quantity because you may not be able to sell them all, but who knows, maybe you could. Again, I don't sell seasonal, but for the purpose of this video we ignore that side because we are aware of it. So this is a good product other than being seasonal. So once you learn that this product is good, you again, you have to use at least couple of tools, but the main purpose of this video is using Amazon for free. And the way we found it was very again, we didn't pay for tools. I am not using a paid version, this is the free version. We just went to Amazon and started searching for a product. So that way we know this product is something we might be interested. And again, I chose this one just randomly, but if you choose the other product that is highlighted here, and this the reason why it's popping up in this high potential, because there is certain criteria that software is set for that allows the product is basically getting highlighted here met that criteria. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you do so, please go ahead and uh, click the like button so I can make more video like this regarding Amazon FBA. Again, I have been selling on Amazon for a few years, and that's what I started thinking maybe I can share my experience, and I'm sure a lot of people want to start the business, and I wouldn't mind to share my experience with them. And again, I'm not sponsoring this product that I'm talking about or tools. I'm just purely trying to share my experience and the way I approach my product search with Amazon. So again, I hope you like that video, and if you have any question, please feel free to leave me a comment.